Okay, this is a follow-up clip. So far today, I've gotten the handrails off of the stairwell here. They were attached so that a person could hang on when they went up and down the stairs. Got those down. Got this this rail thing got removed out of here. All of these boxes are the debris that was in here, was in this bathtub, which is now cleaned out and ready to, well, almost totally cleaned out and ready to go downstairs. I've gotten all the rock wool insulation stuff out. I still have to vacuum because, as you can see, if I zoom in here and show you, there's still quite a bit of dirt and dust, crap that needs to be vacuumed up. But it's basically pretty well cleaned up. Lots of broom work, and gonna get the vacuum fired up now. Those boxes right there is all the garbage that was inside of that bathtub there. So that's how I've been spending my Sunday. Got a little bit more to do here, and then I can fire up the rainbow and get things vacuumed up and make it really clean. Oh, in case people were wondering, why did she rip the hell out of the bathroom? Well, folks, that there is a calcium line buildup. Was on all the fixtures. The real big kahuna here is the, not only was the sink a piece of crap, but yeah, we had a major hole in our plumbing here. So it kind of explains where all the water damage was coming from. And just to be clear, the toilet had dry rot so bad numerous times that I'm surprised that there's still a ceiling downstairs. So by the time this gets done, there will be no more leaks, and hopefully things will drain the way they're supposed to. That's it. Another YouTube video of my life being uploaded shortly. Hope you're having a great Sunday. I'm starting to really like the way things are shaping up around here. Bye for now.